We're here for the regional final for Jersey of STEM racing, formerly known as F1 in schools. And it's brilliant to see so many teams from so many schools taking part.
We've got 15 teams from across the schools in the island. We've actually got 4 pros teams this year. Most are development teams. So they've all been racing, as you can see behind me today. We've had some fantastic judges come over. We've actually got Max Verstappen's Red Bull suit and helmet here. So it's a fantastic day.
Inspiring the next generation of technology in Jersey is really important for us as a business. We want to see new talent coming through, and that starts right here in the schools.
Really honed in on the aerodynamics of our car. We ran multiple simulations and we also built like an optimizer so we could find the best possible car shape for our team and also make sure that it stayed within the regulations.
There's some amazing projects that people have signed up and completed. I know the amount of work that goes into getting these done, and some of the things that the students have actually produced has been outstanding. And they all seem to be having such a brilliant time, which is really important as well.
It's been truly fantastic because you can see the research around what colours would suit best. Thinking about how the brand represents the entire team and also how it will be perceived by others.
We use Instagram for our marketing and we ended up going viral. So we have 1,600 followers, which is a really good achievement for us. We have over 1 million views combined, and on Threads, which is our secondary platform, we got a comment from Mercedes Formula 1 team, which was an amazing step for us.
Our regional champions of the Jersey secondary final is Vanguard.
I wasn't expecting us to win. Another team from Vic is also in the pro class and they've done very well. They won many of the awards, but we must have just consistently come second, runners up, and we've managed to get through. It feels great to win.
Guys, you've done all the work behind the scenes. You've brought today, you've been judged, your design and engineering, just everything. Thank you guys, well done.